Almost everything.
Hey guys, Dan is Almost Everything 84, and today I purchased a digital microscope that plugs in via USB right to the computer. Comes with the software for viewing, and it's a 2 megapixel 40x to 800x. Has some LED lights in there, and we'll go through some of the features today. First question you might ask is, why would you want one of these? Well, if you do any type of like jewelry, coin collecting, things like that, you might want to get a closer examination on some of the items. So this is very helpful for that, as it has some pretty strong LEDs built in, and obviously the magnification to get so it is connected via USB. So come right over here and plug in. You also have right here to adjust the LED intensity to super bright and basically all the way off. This will come out of the holder, and there's your camera lens, and you can see the LEDs around there. This is your platform where you could put anything. We'll take a look at just like kind of a plastic coin here. Then on the side you have a couple adjustments. Bring the scope up and down, and this wire right here you can feed right through the back. On the back of the unit you have this, which will allow the whole thing to slide up and down in the pull, depending on, you know, what you're trying to look at, how large it is, how close you're getting, things like that. Over here is your magnification. You'll want to position this straight, and then you have a slide roll right here. So let's get the software up and running, and we'll... Okay, so I opened up the software, the viewer. It's called AMCAP. And basically right now we have the lights on and that coin there, and I have it zoomed out as much as I can. And I chose, you know, this amount of distance on the pole here to see how close you want to get. So what you do is just come over, hit the eye, and this blows it up on the screen. So this is the coin. Here's another shot. I just put like a business card in there. And sometimes the more you zoom in, you're really just going to see what's kind of on the lens itself, and you're not really going to get any deeper. I mean, unless you have real samples that you're looking at, right, like blood or insects and things like that. You know, whatever you're trying to see. Just zooming back out. Here I just threw some lint on there, and I'll kind of take a little bit of a zoom in here. See. Okay, so that's, didn't really make anything out there, but sometimes this could be a little challenging too, to use a zoom. It could get stuck. You have to work it a little bit. It's much looser now than it originally was, but there's certain parts of it that are harder to move. So if you're doing this like one-handed like I am, which probably you wouldn't be doing, so you wouldn't be making a video on it, should be a lot easier. I think, you know, in conclusion here, it's pretty decent for something that's under $50. That's not a toy. Yeah, you know, what are you using this for? That's really going to be the biggest decision maker. If you're just casually looking around and you know, looking to examine certain things, I think you'll be fine. If you're looking for more of a scientific tool that is going to be important to you, you might want to go more high end as usual. I mean, these scopes goes thousands of dollars, right? So this is very, very on the lower end of the spectrum, but it's for any hobbyist really that is looking, or educational, or, you know, someone that's perhaps in a science class and just needs something really simple. It works for that, and the software works pretty well, and it's pretty easy to figure out. It's intuitive. You don't really even need directions. So hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.